Online shoppers cannot touch or try on items before purchasing, and it's one of the biggest challenges in today's e-commerce, which leads to a lot of returns. But Amazon is tackling this issue with their augmented reality and 3D experience. With this innovative feature, shoppers can virtually try on items and see how they fit in a real environment. Just open your phone camera, that's it. You will get into a cool new reality. This isn't just cool, it's probably the future of online shopping. And if you are not on board, you will fall behind. Hi, this is Tajid from Ecomclips. In this video, we are going to dive into this amazing feature, how it can help your business, and why you must try this. I will also tell you how to enable such features in your listings. So, without any delay, subscribe to our channel and watch this video till the end. In today's competitive world, keeping up with the latest tech is a must. Otherwise, you will stay behind your competitors and initially fall. Shoppers are always on the hunt for a better way to check out products before they buy. They want to learn more about the product to evaluate it perfectly. Do the sunglasses from a web page actually fit their faces? Does the lipstick match their skin tone? Does the chair actually fit in their room and complement the environment? Customers want to see photos from the angles of your product. They want to easily understand the size and dimensions. That's where the augmented reality or AR comes in. They make shopping way more exciting and interactive. They can visualize products in their rooms, whether it's furniture, appliances, TVs, rugs, and more. They also can try product on themselves, like shoes, eyeglasses, makeup. This is the new way of shopping, and it's very important for the sellers to get along with this. This way of online shopping is always evolving. E-commerce companies are continuously developing new techs to remove barriers and add more opportunities. And Amazon is leading the revolution from the front line. For over 9 years, Amazon has been building, testing, and innovating on AR experience for the customers. In 2015, Amazon launched their first AR experience on TVs. 2 years later, they launched View in Your Room on Floor. With this, customers can visualize product in their space. It's currently the most widely enabled AR experience on the detail pages. In 2019, they launched the first virtual try-on for beauty experience. Next 4 to 5 years, Amazon made some extensions with those updates. Customers can take a photo and decorate their room offline and try on more beauty products. In 2022, customers can try on shows. Last year, Amazon launched View in 3D Furniture. Same year, they brought a new tool in Seller Central that allows sellers to upload 3D contents. If you look at the timeline, you will get a clear indication that Amazon has been very focused on this revolutionary feature in recent years. Stats shared by the Amazon says products enabled AR and View in 3D have 1.5 to 3.5% high conversion, and 92% shoppers think these features are helpful to make purchase decisions. They increase shoppers' confidence and ideally reduce return rates. We can say in near future, Amazon will likely roll out even more updates and new tools for this feature. So, it's really important for sellers to start using this on their products. they need to enable it right now. To enable augmented reality, first you need to create and upload 3D content to your listings. But you should note it down, only sellers with a brand registry are able to add 3D content to their listings at this time. You can create 3D contents using mobile scanning within the Amazon Seller app. After the scan, sit back and relax. Amazon will create the 3D model for you. It may take up to 24 to 72 hours to be approved by Amazon. When you submit your 3D models to your listings, customers may be able to get the AR experience depending on your product. If you are looking for top-notch 3D contents but find it challenging to create, I have got fantastic news for you. Leave all your headache to us. We will create awesome high-quality 3D content for your listings. Just email us on info@ecomclips.com and we will catch you from there. At Ecomclips, we have been helping sellers for over 12 years. Now, we are excited to introduce this service just for you because we understand what sellers need most. With our team of experts and dedicated graphic designers, we will make your products stand out with stunning 3D visuals. Your customers will love to experience it in augmented reality. We will ensure your items will look fantastic and eye-catchy, which will lead to conversion. Trust Ecomclips to give an awesome shopping experience to your customers. That's all, guys. Visit our website to get valuable resources for your e-commerce game. And you are very much welcome to contact us if you have any queries. Till then, take care, stay safe, see you soon.